आज हुसैन पब्लिक स्कूल में जो एग्ज़िबिशन रखा गया है, जिसमें मेहमान के तौर पर एडवोकेट विजय कुमार साहब, डॉक्टर बसवराज वेल्ली साहब और हमारे एरिया के इंस्पेक्टर हेमंत साहब ने शिरकत की और हमारे साउथ ब्लॉक के बीओ वो भी तशरीफ़ लाए हुए थे। तो सुबह 10:30 बजे इसका इनॉग्रेशन हुआ। 10:30 बजे से जब इन्होंने क्लास में जाकर देखना शुरू किया तो तकरीबन 1:30 बजे तक ये लोग देखने में इतने मसरूफ़ रहे। हमने उन्हें याद भी दिलाया कि भाई आपको कुछ काम होगा साहब, आपको लेट हो रहा है, आप जाएंगे। नहीं, हमको इतना इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, हम सब भूल गए, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है। क्योंकि छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो साइंस के बारे में, किडनी के बारे में, शुगर के बारे में, बीपी के बारे में जिन्होंने बच्चों ने जो बताया है, इतना इंटरेस्ट आ रहा था ये मेहमानों को। और जो भी हमारे पेरेंट्स आए हुए हैं, इतना रश मैं देख रहा हूँ, महसूस कर रहा हूँ कि ये लोगों में जो इतना इंटरेस्ट है देखने में, क्योंकि ये बच्चे इतना अच्छा एक्सप्लेन कर रहे, माँ बाप इतना खुश हो रहे कि मैं बयान नहीं कर सकता। क्योंकि खाने पीने के बारे में, रहन सहन के बारे में बच्चों का नॉलेज जो बढ़ रहा है, माँ बाप को देखकर इतनी खुशी हो रही कि हमारे बच्चों को इतना अच्छा एजुकेशन हो रहा है। और ये एग्ज़िबिशन सुबह 10:30 बजे से शुरू हुआ है और ये 5 बजे तक एग्ज़िबिशन चलेगा। और काफ़ी जो है मैं ख़ुद भी हैरान हूँ कि इतना अच्छा बच्चे लोगों ने इतना अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया और इतना अच्छा नॉलेज है बच्चों को। हम यकीन नहीं कर सकते कि इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे इतना नॉलेज रखे, बात कर रहे हर चीज़ के बारे में। तो मैं यहाँ के स्टाफ को और यहाँ के मैडम, प्रिंसिपल मैडम को और यहाँ के जो भी लोग काम किए हैं, सबको, पूरे स्टाफ को बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से उनका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और उनके मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि इसी तरह से और आगे बढ़ते रहें, मेरी दुआ है।
Good morning everyone, myself Sadia Sadaf. I am here to say you all about a common known disease, diabetes. Diabetes means blood glucose or blood sugar levels are too high. It is a disease when body interfaces to produce insulin or unable to utilize it properly. It is caused due to the lack of insulin production by the islet cells which are produced by pancreas, and it is located just below the stomach. Islets of Langerhans. Islets are the cells which produce insulin, and islets of Langerhans are also known as beta cells. The cells of endocrine pancreas are known as islets of Langerhans. They secrete two hormones, insulin and glucagon. Insulin is a hormone which is produced by islets of Langerhans, which regulates the amount of glucose in the blood. Insulin is liberated when blood glucose levels are too high, usually when food is digested and absorbed. If sufficient insulin is not produced, glucose level in the blood becomes dangerously high and it is excreted through urine. This condition is known as diabetes. As you all know, there are many types of diabetes. Now I am going to explain you in brief about type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes occurs when pancreas secretes little or no insulin. Without insulin, sugar level gets dangerously high. Type 1 diabetes causes damage to pancreas, and a condition called hyperglycemia is caused. Beta cells get destroyed due to the other harmful substances, and your muscles are unable to use glucose due to the low insulin, and increased glucose due to the low insulin. Decreased insulin in the blood vessels and in the pancreas, and glycogen and proteins breakdown causing ketoacidosis. Now let us know about type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes occurs when fats, muscles and liver oil do not produce insulin to help glucose to enter into the cells. Without the pancreas over time do not secrete enough insulin to treat this. You may have to use diabetes medicines or insulin injections. Here the muscles are unable to use insulin glucose due to the resistance and increased glucose in the bloodstream. Sufficient insulin secrete in the bloodstream, and these are the pancreas and obesity, inheritance and other factors leading to insulin resistance. Now my friend Hina is going to continue with causes, precautions and symptoms. Thank you.
But myself, Hina Star, I am going to explain about the diabetes causes, precautions and symptoms. As you know, there are many types of diabetes, and the common are type 1 and type 2. It is believed that type 2 diabetes have 90% chances to suffer, and type 1 diabetes has 10%. And type 1 diabetes is suffered from the small children, and type 2 diabetes for the adults. So we should avoid the drinks. The common symptoms of diabetes are we will feel often to go for urination, thirst, hunger, and sometimes we will lose the weight not doing any exercise. sugar level is excess, then it causes a disease called gangrene. It will start first from our legs, so we should go and consult to doctor. If it is in a condition that it increase means we have to cut our legs. To identify how diabetes is caused, first our palms and nails will be in the pinkish color. Afterwards it will convert in slight yellowish color. We should go and consult the doctor. He will give our insulin injection. After that we can cure. As you know that diabetes is a disease which cannot be cured completely. It can be controlled. So we should have the food which contain little amount of sugar, and we should avoid the food which contain sugar and oil. It is very important to do 15 minutes exercise per day. Thank you.